the pre-trial brief sets the tone on how the defense will structure its answers. So kung tunog lata na ang pre-trial brief, what more can we expect during the trial proper? No. Tama nga po yung nakalagay no na it's just mere denials at ang basis for the summoning of witnesses or even presenting documentary evidence is a general to rebut the allegations in the articles of impeachment. Wala pong pagdedetalye kung bakit po ini-introduce yung evidence na to, kung bakit ini-introduce yung witness na to. Kung ako po, possibly judge or even law school professor, no, i-check ko yan, no? Iko-correct ko yung ganong klaseng format. So sa atin, this is clearly hindi na naman pagseseryoso sa proseso. Kasi kung sineseryoso yung proseso, dapat binibigay na yung mga sagot na matagal lang hinihingi ng taong bayan. Which is, sino nga ba si Mary Grace Piatos? How do you provide evidence to controvert or contradict yung certification ng PSA na sa records nila, walang Mary Grace Piatos? No other than ipakita niyo kung sino siya. Kung wala pong ganon na makita tayo sa pre-trial brief, no, baka hindi natin makita ito sa mismong trial proper. So, nonetheless, no, both parties reserve the right to submit further evidence as necessary. Pero, supposedly, nilatag na po yan lahat during the pre-trial briefs and the pre-trial conference. Wala tayong nakitang ganon. So, kailangan na pong maging mas mapagmatsyag at masiyasat yung taong bayan sa mga magiging sagot sa trial proper.